When you think of masonry cutting tools over the last 50 years, not much has changed. From the first masonry saw built in the 1930s to the masonry saws of today, the challenges are still very much the same. Slurry, bulky design, and limited mobility. Now, that's all about to change. IQ Power Tools is raising the bar with a true innovation. The world's first 16.5-inch dry cut masonry saw with integrated dust control. This is the IQ MS362. This is not your grandfather's masonry saw. The specially engineered 16.5-inch blade gives you a 5.5-inch depth of cut and a full 24-inch length of cut, providing precision dry cutting on all mason materials and 40% faster cutting than all the competition. Equipped with soft start technology, the IQ Power Management System allows for smooth, uninterrupted operation. It runs off a standard 120 volt and 20 amps, eliminating the need for a 220 volt plug adapter or high output generator. With a gas shock, this dynamic stand raises and lowers with ease. You'll be able to move positions without even breaking a sweat. Did we mention it has fully integrated dust collection? Featuring a 270-degree dust reduction system, dust is captured within the blade guard, rear dust guard, and downdraft louvered table via high-powered integrated vacuum. With a 3-stage cyclonic filtration system, this allows for up to 99.5% dust collection. How about effortless cleanup? Yeah, it's got that. This is the IQ MS362. And it's not your grandfather's masonry saw.
The SAMI floor stripper is an industrial machine designed to remove materials such as vinyl, cork, glued carpet and waterproofing membranes off wooden or concrete floors. The machine has a sliding handle so the machine can fit inside the boot of a car. It has a removable weight to allow for easier handling, and when in use ensures there's sufficient weight over the blade. The blade is manufactured from high tensile spring steel and is sharpened at both ends to get the most use out of the product. The blade is clamped into the machine using two stiff levers. These specifically designed parts ensure a tool-free setup for the machine, which means there is never any need to track down a spanner to use this machine. Once the blade is clamped into the machine, we are ready to start stripping. As you can see, the product leaves the surface ready for the next application. The SAMI floor stripper is designed to make the removing of many surfaces quick, easy and cost effective.